Hi, this is the OPPO F19 and I'll show you how to check battery temperature with Ampere app on this device. So first we should get the Ampere application from the Play Store. That's why we should open the Play Store app and in the search pool enter the Ampere. So now we should tap the install button and wait a couple of seconds. After that, just tap to open the app, click to yes, agree, pick close, and tap to OK. So after that, you'll see here information about your battery temperature, and in my case, that's 28 and 5 degrees. And also you get here more information like the battery capacity, voltage, Android version, and more other info. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.